Race number 5. Away they go. Cool reception. Fast to begin, followed by Corduo. Pocket down on the inside. Golden Rage, Nose West, and Blue Chic is the early trailer. Cool reception by about 2 lengths, followed by Corduo. Golden Rage running in third by Darrell. And passing the half-mile post, Cool reception by about 2 lengths, followed by Corduo in second. Golden Rage, Nose West, racing on the outside, fourth, and by Darrell Coquette, Blue Chic. And rounding the far turn, Cool reception by Happel and Corduo in second. As they race the last 500, Cool reception back to 2 lengths lead. Corduo down on the inside as they race the final corner. Cool reception by Happel and Corduo down on the inside. Golden Rage, Blue Chic, and nearing the finish line. Cool reception on the outside. Corduo is running by Darrell. Cool reception. Corduo is running by Darrell. Corduo, Cool reception, and finally it's going to be close. Corduo, Cool reception. Then comes Blue Chic, Golden Rage, number 6, Nose West, Coquette.
Okay, meron tayong close for first between entry